In this lesson, we're going to learn how to enter numbers as text. Let's say, for example, we need to input a telephone number into an Excel worksheet. Let's say, for example, we go to cell A1 and type the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a telephone number. Then we hit the enter key. You can clearly see that Excel has turned this sample number into this sample phone number into a number, which is wrong because we wanted to retain the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a telephone number and not as a number which can be calculated by the Excel worksheet. So what you need to tell Excel, we can simply tell Excel, we can type an apostrophe, then type the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then when you press the tab key or the enter key, Excel will not calculate this one as a number, but Excel will treat this number as a text. Okay, so it will not be calculated. If you highlight this warning, it clearly states the number in this cell is formatted as text or preceded by an apostrophe. So which means Excel will not see this one as a number but as a text. Okay, let's say, for example, we had a bank routing number that we wanted also to input into our Excel worksheet, and we didn't want Excel to change the routing number. If we had simply put the numbers 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 as a bank routing number, then 1, 2, 3 as a bank routing number, then we press the enter key or the tab key, Excel is going to treat this one as a date, which is Excel now has treated it as the 5th of the 2nd, 1900, which is wrong. This was supposed to be a bank routing number. So you can either start using an apostrophe, or you can go here under the home tab, under the numbers section, then pre-format the cell to be a text one. So we can write our bank routing number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Then we press the enter key. And you can clearly see that Excel hasn't changed this routing number like it did on the previous routing number. So whenever you're using Excel and you want to retain the number as a text one, as a reference code, or if you want to retain as a number or a telephone number, you can either pre-fill it using an apostrophe, or you can pre-format the cell using the number section, then you select the text option. So in this lesson, you have learned how to input telephone numbers, bank routing numbers into Excel without Excel tampering with it or assuming it as a number. See you in the next lesson.